YouTube, back for another video. Just a short one, just a little update video about a video that's coming. We've made quite a significant purchase for the van in terms of an upgrade. Last year or so we had a lot of videos about the exterior, but this is for the interior. Let's have a look. So we bought a single passenger seat. We're going to be replacing the double single seater. It's Wednesday today, hopefully going to be doing this Sunday. Bought this off eBay a couple of weeks ago. Not cheap, but not much more expensive than what I originally planned to do in terms of put some Golf GTI seats in. It is maybe 100 to 200 quid more expensive in terms of what I've paid. Whether I've been ripped off or not, I don't know, but I seem to have paid what the going rate is, and obviously this will be a lot easier to fit than adapter plates for GTI seats and stuff like that. So if you want to see the fitting video, that's coming hopefully later this week, should be out next week. So yeah, like and subscribe. See you then.